Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to change your nTailor account password. If you don't have nTailor account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click on My Account. On the drop-down list, you will see a Sign In button. Click on the Sign In button. Now, sign in with your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the left side menu. Click on the option that says Profiles and Preferences. Now, you will see a section for password. Beside it is an Edit button. Click on Edit. On this page, enter your current password on the first field. On the second field, enter the new password you wish to use. Then enter it again on the third field to confirm. After entering, click on Save. That's how you change your nTailor account password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.